Hello, in this lesson, we're going to make a change to the recruiting workbook and add an application template by copying the data from a template that already exists. First, navigate to the recruiting iteration and click on the Google Sheets to open the workbook. Now, in SAP SuccessFactors, search for Manage Templates. Click over to Recruiting Management and Job Application. There, you'll see the templates that are already loaded into the configuration. Clicking between the two tabs, you can see how all the various configuration data maps between the Google Sheet and SAP SuccessFactors. To make a new template, we're going to copy and paste the configuration information from an existing template. We'll select some rows starting in column B and expand all the way right. As we do this, I want to pause and point out a feature in the Google Sheet that is important to notice. Those black bars are called dividers. They are a way to separate information within a single tab of a Google Sheet. Sometimes they are used to distinguish different types of configuration data, like field labels versus permissions. And sometimes they are used to separate functional spaces for CodeBot tasks. More on that later. Okay, with these rows now highlighted, select Copy and go to the bottom of the Google Sheet to paste them. This automatically adds more rows at the bottom of the sheet. Find the top, newly pasted row and change the template name to your desired name. For the sake of the demo, we'll just say Recruiting Training Template Bronze. Then we'll drag that name down to give that template name to all the newly pasted rows. Now scrolling all the way to the right in the Google Sheet to the final section in the final dividers, in column BB and BC, you can see Process Template and Process Status. These are CodeBot functions. Clicking on the next available row in BB, you can see the newly named template in the pick list. Then set the processing status to pending. Back in CodeBot, click the hamburger menu, select Request Reprocess, then Start Configuration. You only have to check Application Template, as that's the only place where we've made a change. Enter the password and execution notes and hit Confirm and Start. Then, clicking the eye icon, we can see that the configuration has already started. About 5 minutes later, we can see that the changes are complete. In the Google Sheet, the new items are in green, and when we navigate to SAP SuccessFactors, the newly created template is fully there.